Hello everybody, my name is Laleh, and don't forget this Friday we are going live on banyanwomen.org at 6 o'clock. We'll be making gourmet sabzi and rice with Tahdig. So what I'm going to show you today is a good time. A couple of days before we make the rice is we are going to put it in brine. That's the ultimate way to make basmati rice. Come on over and I'll show you. So I've already washed the rice a couple of times. You just need to wash it about maybe 2 or 3 times just so the cloudiness just clears and the rice is fully ready. So you just whirl your hand around in there just like so, and then you're going to drain. Make sure you don't get too much of the rice out. If you like to use a colander, that's fine, but that's just too much work. All right, so now we're ready. We're going to fill it up with water, just like this, and make sure you even it out. Bring it about, just about maybe an inch or 2 above the rice. And we have a pouch. You can use a pouch just like this. We have the rock salt in there, a breathable pouch. And you're just going to twist it very lightly and put it in the center like that. What you want to make sure is you want to just put the lid on top, seal it, and put it in the fridge for a couple of days, and it's ready for use. I'll see you this Friday. Thank you so much.